Hello, here's another one pour les ventilateurs du Québec, in case you were starting to miss them. This is a 1987 CA52 in polished brass finish. It was made in October 1987, so it's one of the last CA52 that were made in Hong Kong. They stopped making them in Hong Kong in 1989. From 1989 to today, they have been made in China with cheaper motors and usually cheaper bearings. This one have a beefy brown motor, you know, that kind of a roundish motor with very good silent bearings. It's got one of these small classic shaped canopies with the little lines. This little canopy was used on a lot of late 80s SMCs, and it was used also in the early 90s, early to mid 90s on some of their spinners like the Laguna and the Promo Deluxe. Like you can see, the finish is in amazing condition. It's barely even got scratches on it. What's interesting about these models with the A52 in the serial number is that the side band is one single piece with the upper plate, which means that you cannot take the upper part from the side band. It's all one piece with a smooth end here. It's got a detachable switch housing. It's my first ceiling fan with a detachable switch housing. But these switch housings are really not made like most of other detachable switch housing. They don't look like they are detachable, but they are. You can see they got little screws here on the sides. It's one of the rare models that have the two pole chains and being made in Hong Kong at the same time. It's a rare combination to have the two at the same time. Most of Hong Kong made fans usually had only one pole chain, which was like forward, reverse, off, like something like this, or sometimes you had an off position in the middle. But this one's got the more classic and easier way to go. A 3-speed pole chain with a separated reverse pole chain. It came all complete except for these little decorative pole chains. I had some extra ones. The blades are unusually a lighter type of oak, which is beautiful, looks much better than the typical darker, dull oak finish you see on a lot of SMCs. This one is more a golden type of oak. It's beautiful. So yes, it is a pretty rare model made in Hong Kong, but with the type of parts you would see on later SMCs. And the Hong Kong made SMCs in Canada are quite rare. And like a lot of more upscale SMCs, this one is labeled Sears. So here it is on high speed. It has a pretty good, it's pretty powerful. It does about 200 RPMs on high. It moves an excellent amount of air. Here it is on medium speed. It still moves a very good amount of air in medium, considering especially that the blades are skinnier and all. It's a very, very good air delivery. As you heard, the bearings are very silent, especially for an SMC. It's just got a little audible hum though. That's the only little thing about it. The medium speed is actually quite well, it's a little faster than your average medium speed. It's about 140 RPMs. And now here it is on low. The low speed is like a very normal, typical low. It's about around 60 RPMs, I'd say. Maybe 65. You still get a little draft with the low speed. Thank you for watching.